This one, however, has what I believe to be phone call functionality, um, a glowing flame light, long-lasting battery, and the controls are on the top. It also plays your music. The one at Five Below does have the flickering flame, and it does play music, but it's not wireless. And I believe this is the wireless one. Yes, it is the wireless version, made by a different company. The Five Below one was made by Jack. Oh wow. Yeah, this one's pretty much the exact same size as the other one I had, just heavier. And here it's the charge cable, and that's all it comes in the box. It's the charge cable, the manuals, and the protective shipment layer. It is taped up. Oh, yeah, same body, but it's got a metallic finish on the top and bottom of it. Wow. Um, Charge port, it's right here. It's got a tab. Yeah, this one is a little more detailed, and it's got chrome looking stuff. It's awesome. Uh, the controls are on the top, as I said earlier, and I will do an indoor review of it. My thoughts on this are that it is better than the one I got at Five Below, but the Five Below one is definitely worth $5 because you get a flicker effect, maybe for like if you do ASMR videos, or maybe you want to, maybe you're making an independent film and you don't want to actually have fire in your house, or you want to make it look like a dungeon. You can add a whole bunch of the Five Below ones and this one if you want, and just have them like look like they're actual lanterns flickering with little bokeh as you're walking. It'll look real either way. I think this one's great. I think it's worth the $40 because it is wireless. But I also think for $40 it should have had the plug-in port like the Five Below one.